Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of home DIY projects right here in Bangladesh. DIY is more than a trend. It's a lifestyle that brings joy, creativity, and a huge sense of accomplishment. But to succeed, you need the right tools. And in this video, we'll show you the 10 must-have tools every DIY enthusiast should own. From measuring and marking tools to cutting and shaping tools, as well as power tools for drilling and sanding, we've got you covered. And don't forget about the safety gear every dyer should wear. We'll talk about that too. So whether you're a seasoned DIY pro or a curious beginner, get ready to unleash your creativity and bring your DIY dreams to life with the right tools by your side. Let's get started. Every toolbox should have these essential hand tools: screwdrivers, hammers, pliers, wrenches, and measuring tape. They're used for everything from assembling furniture to hanging pictures and tightening loose screws. There's a lot of different types of screwdrivers and hammers, but the most common are Phillips and flathead screwdrivers and a rubber mallet. You'll also need a utility knife for cutting and a tape measure for measuring. These basic hand tools will help you with most DIY projects. But there are also power tools that can make your life a lot easier. Drills, saws, sanders, and power drivers are all great options. A drill is used to drill holes into various materials, and there are different types of drills for different applications. The same goes for saws. They're used for cutting wood, metal, or plastic. Now, no matter what power tool you use, always wear safety glasses, gloves, a dust mask, and ear protection, and make sure you're in a well-ventilated area. Beyond the basics, tools like levels, clamps, and utility knives are also essential for more precise work. There are different types of levels for different uses, and clamps come in handy when you need to hold two pieces of wood together while you work. With the right tools and a little bit of know-how, you'll be able to tackle any DIY project with confidence.